I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure your Windows 11 PC and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network or plan to connect via USB tethering. Install the companion app on your phone and the matching client on the PC, because the phone streams video while the PC receives it. Once done, grant camera and microphone permissions on the phone and allow the PC client through the Windows firewall so connections aren't blocked. This prevents permission errors before you proceed to pair the device. You next pair the apps. Open the PC client and pick Wi-Fi or USB mode. Note the IP address or pairing code it shows. Then on your phone app, enter that IP or code or plug in the USB cable and enable USB debugging so the client detects the phone. Start the video stream. Make sure you choose the resolution and frame rate that match your bandwidth. Finally, set the phone camera as the virtual webcam inside the client, so Windows recognizes it for apps. You're ready to use the phone as a webcam. Open Zoom, Teams, or OBS and choose the virtual webcam device created by the PC client. If you see lag or poor quality, lower the resolution or frame rate, or switch to a USB connection to reduce latency. Make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong and the firewall allows the client. If video fails to appear, restart both apps and the phone, reconnect the cable, and reinstall the client or drivers. That fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.